Hey, I'm photographer Marc Serota. I've traveled all over the world and taken award-winning shots of celebrities and sports icons like Michael Phelps at the Olympics, Major League Baseball players, Michael Jordan, LeBron James, you name it. Come along with me and I'll show you some cool tips on how to take better photos and use Motif. Today I'm going to show my lovely wife here how to make a Father's Day calendar for, well, me. So first of all, what I've done is I've created a folder here called Father's Day, okay? And in that folder, I put a bunch of photos that I like and that I'm sure my wife would have picked had she gone through them and made the selection that I think would all look good for the calendar. And for the sake of expediting the process, I've already loaded them in. So now you're going to hit the Get Started button. Overall, what you're looking to do is create a project in my project. Okay. Now, I've already populated a whole bunch of photos. They're all right in here. Okay, all these different photos from all kinds of events that we've done and places we've been to, this kind of stuff here. When we go into my projects, we're going to add a project. We're going to come down to calendar. We're going to go into Motif, and it is going to load a 13 by 10 calendar, $22.99, pretty good price, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to hit create, and what happens is it opens up into some specs on how you want your calendar. The good thing about this calendar is you don't have to wait till Christmas to give it to somebody because it's going to be good January 1. You could set the parameters in any start time you want, in any language you want. So why don't we start it, since we're doing it now in May, and I'm going to get it for Father's Day, let's start it in June. That makes sense? Okay, so we're going to hit continue, and ordinarily you have the option to preload all the photos and they start to auto-populate into these categories. But I'm going to go into, since we're only really doing 12, maybe 20, maybe 30 overall photos, I'm going to show you how to populate them individually. Now here's all the styles. So you see anything you like, just let me know. Okay. All right, these are all the basic templates for different kinds of calendars.
Okay.
All right, so you want to pick something that you
like the spring vibe.
All right, so we're going to go into that, and there are currently no images in your project. To add images, drag and drop from the album, memory, or an image that you've opened in a project somewhere else. Here's where the photos will populate once you drag them down in there. So let's go to photos, and let's just grab a Halloween photo in October. Let's find something in August of the kids. Okay. Maybe more than one, because you can put more photos on a page. Okay. You just hold the shift button and click a couple of photos. Let's go into June and grab our wedding photo, of course. They'll grab this photo too, because I like this one of you and Kayla. That could be for July. It doesn't really matter. Pick another.
Dog.
You like the dog? And paddleboarding, that's another good one. And Kayla with a starfish. There's another paddleboard shot. There's her on her skateboard. Let's go past this stuff here. I like this shot of DJ. I like these two shots of the kids. This is great for Valentine's Day. That's February. I like this of me and DJ in New York.
No, you gotta do Kiss. Kiss concert right there.
Kiss concert right there. Photo shoot in Atlanta. DJ from the photo shoot. There's Alexa and Michael, our cousins. Couple more pictures of the kid. Cute shot of the dog. Just go through and pick a few more photos that we think could work for this calendar. Oh, there's your dad and my dad. That's a great Father's Day moment. Let's grab that and that. And what we're going to do is we're just going to drag them over into this Untitled project. Okay. There they go. Okay, so now we've got the photos in there. So I think for the cover photo, what do you think we should put on the cover?
Well,
you can scroll through by going left.
Either something that has the four of us. I think Kiss was the only thing I saw was the four of us, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Let's drop that in there, and there you go. So what do you want to call it, Jess?
Father's Day. Or Father's Calendar.
Father's Day calendar. How's that? Notice here you could change the color of the type. You can change the font, okay? And you can even change the size of the photo by simply zooming in here.
Oh, nice.
And then you just grab it with the hand and move it over to center it.
Very nice.
Let's go into, so we're in June. What do you think you want to put into June? Now, if you look here, sweetie, there's different layouts in each one. So what you can do is you can go in and you can change the layout on that page.
Oh, okay.
All right, you can add the number of photos. So if you want it to be 4 photos on a page, or 2 photos on a page, or back to 3 photos on a page. You can change the page layout, and then you can pick which actual layout you'd like to have. Some room at the bottom here for copy, or just full bleed. Let's go with that. All right. Now we're looking at verticals and squares. So I like that one. That's up in here.
And then the one next to it.
This one for DJ right here. And then let's see. Let's do something that fits a square. How about a shot of Dad? There you go.
Perfect.
All right. So now we'll go to July, and it's one big photo. So why don't we just throw in?
I like that one.
Which one?
Because that's a July photo.
There we go.
New York.
All right. Me and DJ in New York. All right. Let's go on. You got to click on there and then jump to the next page. I don't like these 2 panoramics in that layout. I'd rather see something a little more traditional there, so I'm going to switch that. There's our August one. What else do we have?
From DJ holding the camera.
All right. Yeah. That's him working with me at a football game. Let's do a picture of Kayla with the dog. How's that?
All right.
You like it with the border around it, or would you rather see it clean? What we call a bleed, where the picture bleeds off the edge.
I like the border.
Okay, so let's go back to the border. Let's grab that one. All you got to do is double click on it. And then we're just looking for a nice horizontal photo. How about this here? How about Kayla sailing?
Sailing, yeah, there you go.
Right? All right. Now we're getting to October. What do we have to have for October? I wonder. And because we're a family that likes to get dressed up for Halloween,
where is our
I do not see the Halloween photo in here.
Maybe I didn't grab it.
Okay, well, we can always go right into the photos. Let's look under October. Keep going down. April, wow. Okay, let's go into October. There's a Halloween photo. So we drag that into the Untitled project. Come down, and by the way, that just showed the recent additions. We want to see all photos, or only the ones that have not been placed in the calendar as of yet. All right, that helps out a lot when you're sort of editing down. Okay, so here's our let's make it one big photo. How about that? And this one, I think we should bleed. All right.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, there's us.
All right. Let's go to November now. Once again, remember to click on the gray area so that you can get back to that page. Here we are in November. Again, I think we're gonna change the layout. Let's go back to a one-picture photo. This time we'll do a little bit of a white border there. And how about we go back to Dad? How about we show me doing a photo shoot in Atlanta? And there's DJ holding the fill light.
I actually think you should do it too there. And I have the picture of DJ with the girl.
Oh, good idea. Okay. So let's add a second photo. By the way, once you have it in there, you can change all the layouts.
Oh, that's nice.
You can put words in there on the bleed. You can put words here like this. You can still do that.
But it's nice to see it with a picture in it.
Yep. It's pretty cool like that. Okay, so let's go to that, and then there's the picture of DJ with our model.
Perfect.
Excellent. Great idea. All right, December is Christmas. I know I saw an old Christmas card photo. Again, let's go back to the one picture layout here.
There's 3, wasn't there?
I think there's just, are there 3?
Yeah, there's 3.
All right, so the big one is a horizontal, I think.
Yes,
so let's go with this layout.
Perfect.
Let's do this one in the horizontal slot, this one here, and this one right there. Let's go all the way back because I had one other thought in my mind. You know, when we get into June, there's something special that happened in June, right?
Yeah, that'd be Father's Day.
That'd be Father's Day, but we were also married in June.
Yes, we were.
Okay, so I would prefer to use our wedding photo right there. How's that?
Okay.
All right,
Perfect.
so we'll finish with that.